is Sigmund, and today I want to tell you about ICAG's new syllabus, which will be examined this year, November 2024. Now, this syllabus is expected to train the next generation of accountants relevant to Ghana till the year 2029. Now, this syllabus, as you all are aware, has been developed with so many expectations to include changes in industry as well as practices to enhance the development of the new chartered accountant that we expect going forward. Now, what are the interesting things that has changed regarding the syllabus? The architecture and structure of the syllabus has remained the same. So you expect the same 4 papers in level 1, the same 6 papers in level 2, and the same 4 papers in level 3. It's a slight change regarding introduction to man accounting, which has now been changed to introduction to cost and then management accounting. That is the only key change to the architecture or structure of the syllabus. But one interesting thing is that when it comes to management accounting, financial management, as well as audit and assurance, we have embedded public sector models into these relevant subjects. I repeat, financial management, management accounting, and audit and assurance has public sector models embedded in them, and they are very examinable going forward. Beyond that, when it comes to the public sector accounting paper itself, it has witnessed a significant change, which is that we now have the issue of IPSAS, that is the International Public Sector Accounting Standard, now a major part in the public sector accounting paper, making it quite close or similar to the financial reporting paper. So the expectation is that students going forward will now be looking at public sector accounting similar to what we had already, which is the financial reporting paper. So in essence, the syllabus has changed and has been developed based on the following thematic themes. Number 1 is technology. Number 2 is ethics. Number 3 is sustainability. And then also we have issues of what? Professional skills as well as public sector, which has been very dominant in this new syllabus. So the decision from our end is that going forward, we are going to release relevant updates to you on this new syllabus to get you to understand the changes based on subject-specific basis, which is our determination to ensure that you better understand the key changes to the syllabus. So in the next video, you are expected to see this coming up, and I'm sure you are ready to watch them to get better understanding of the new syllabus. So on that note, I'll see you again in our next video. Like this page going forward and also share it and comment under it, and then subscribe to our relevant pages. Thank you so much. My name is Sigmund. Bye.